Hi there, I'm Sheila Rosiel, and this is Legacy Life 101, where we talk about ways to turn what you already have into the freedom you actually want in this season of life. Now, today's episode is a fun one because we're busting some myths. Yes, MYTHS. Not the kind you read in fairy tales, the kind that keep people over 65 from accessing real money that's just sitting there in an old life insurance policy. Yep, I said it. So let's clear up some big misconceptions. You might even say it's myth Busters Senior Edition. Myth number one: you have to die for your life insurance policy to be worth anything. Okay, this is probably the biggest one. So let's say it loud for the folks in the back. You do not have to die. There's this option called a life settlement, and it's 100% legal and regulated, where you can sell your existing life insurance policy while you're still alive. In exchange, you get a lump sum of cash. That's what some people are like, wait, is that even allowed? Yes, it's not new, it's just not well known. So instead of letting the policy lapse and getting nothing, or continue to pay premiums for something you don't need anymore, that you could cash out right now while you can still enjoy. Okay, myth number two: only people in poor health can qualify for a life settlement. Now this one, it's a half-truth that confuses a lot of folks. Yes, your health is one factor, but so is your age, the type of policy you have, and how big that policy is. Most life settlement buyers are looking for policies with a face value of around $100,000 or more, and the policy holder is usually 65 or older. So yes, if you're over 65, even if you're still gardening, golfing, or two-stepping, you might still qualify. Most likely you will. You don't need to be knocking on heaven's door to benefit. Yeah, I said it. You just need a policy and a little curiosity. Okay, myth number three: it's not worth the hassle. I totally get this one. Been there. The moment we hear the word paperwork, we get that tiny headache behind the eyes. But here's the truth. If you're working with an advisor like me, who actually cares about you, because I've been there, like yours truly, then this process is surprisingly simple. So nope, it's not a hassle. It's a quiet little opportunity that more people really should know about. So let's recap real quick. You don't have to die for your policy to be worth something. You don't have to be in poor health to qualify. And no, it's not a paperwork nightmare. If you're over 65 and you got an old life insurance policy just sitting there, let's stop letting it collect dust. There might be cash in there. There might be choices you didn't know you had. And there might just be a more freedom waiting than you think. If this helped clean things up, hit that like button aboard and also subscribe so I know you're here with me. And go ahead and subscribe right now, because every week I'll be right here